can choose pattern like this is history brush. This is eraser tool. You can erase like this. If you press flower bracket, you can size. You can decrease or reduce. If you press flower bracket, you can reduce or decrease like this. You can remove like this. Now draw anything. Fill color. Control backspace for fill color. Control D for deselect. Press E for eraser. You can erase smoothly. This is background eraser. If any background image is there, means you can erase like this. You can erase like this. This is tolerance. You can use like this tolerance for smooth actually. You can remove like this backgrounds and all. See how the background is going. Or you can do in easy way also. Press W. My shortcut is not working. You can select like this. Or you can do quick selection tool. You can select the area, which area you want, you can select. Now press E for background eraser. That much part only it will erase. It will not, how much area you have selected, that much area only it will remove. Others it will not remove. See, if I remove this also, it will not remove. Only this part only it will remove. Why means I have selected that much area, it will remove that much area only. It will not take another other areas and all, it will not remove also. This is the use of quick selection tool or magic coin tool. You can select that much area and you can remove like this. See the background has erased. Like this you can erase. See here down on magic eraser tool is there. You can erase like this. You have to select particular area like this and you can erase like this. You have to select the particular area and then you have to remove like this. See, like this you can remove. How much area you want, that much area you can remove like this. See, like this you can remove. And this is gradient tool. You can use any gradient like this. Here on icon is then a gradient icon. That press shift and drag. See, like this. You can use gradient like this. And you can give this one. If you want, you can give 100%. And then you can drag and drop. You can drag like this gradient. You can use gradient like this. First, you have to keep this one here, and then you have to drag like this. See, keep here, drag like this, keep here, drag like this, keep here, drag like this, and drag like this. In gradient tool, this is paint bucket tool. You can put color like this. If you want, you can put color. Paintbrush tool. Now I will show you an example. Control N for new. You can create like this also. In paint bucket tool, this is 3D material drop tool. This is blur tool. You can blur anything. This is pen tool. Press P for pen tool. You can draw like this in pen tool. See, like this. Shift, press shift, press like this. Don't hold shift. Do like manual only. Press. You can draw. You can draw like this. You can draw like this, and then you can draw like this. Shapes and all. Then control enter for selection. You can select like this. If you want, you can select like this. then make selection tool. Okay. Control J. You have to copy like this. Control J of the layer. See, it has removed like this. If you want, you have to see like this mess. You off the background layer. Then you can see like this. See the difference. Press T for text tool. Change the color to black. Type any name. Press, press V. Press T for transform. Select. Drag and drop like drag like this. Make it keep it in center. If you want, you can select like this. You can choose any color. You can pick any color like this. You can choose any color, or you can change the font also. Here you will see the font option. Select this one and use your arrow keys. See, like this you can change the font. You can change the font styles like this. You can do here. You can do bold also, regular also, and then you can choose anything here. Use arrow key for change the font. See like this. See which font is good for you. Then press enter. Press V. See this font you have taken. This font style text as scheme. Or you can change. Bold. You want bold, italic. Light means it will become light. Medium. You can keep bold, italic. Bold, italic means it will look bold also, and it will become italic shape also like this. This is path selection tool. Here this is rectangular tool. You can draw like this, or you can fill the color. Press V for move tool. Press W for magic wand tool. Shortcut is W for magic wand tool. Right click, select the area. Press W for magic wand tool. Select like this. Delete. It will delete. You can use rounded rectangular also. You can fill the color. Right click. Raise the layer. Press W for magic wand tool. Press. You can choose any color from here like this. OK. Press enter for OK. Control backspace for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Select. Pick any color. Control backspace. Control D for deselect. You can choose like this. Same for ellipse tool also. Draw any ellipse. Right click. Rasterize the layer. Press V for move tool. Shortcut is move. Shortcut is V for move tool. Shortcut is V for move tool. You can select like this. Press W. C shortcut is W. Change the color if you want. You can give red. Control backspace for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Press V for move tool. You can move like this objects. Press polygon tool and draw like this. It has become like this. And you can do like this. You can change the color also for this. Press W for magic wand tool. Then select this one. Right click. Rasterize the layer. Select this one. change the color in any different color. Okay. Control backspace for select the color.